Welcome to the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in Downpour Metallic. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Denali, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter and integrated trailer braking can be found here in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Denali, starting off with the 22-inch wheels paired up with Bridgestone Alenza tires. Moving on, we have chrome door handles, Denali badges on the doors, chrome-capped mirrors with LEDs, Duramax plaques on the fenders, around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, chrome recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around, automatic step assist come out when the doors are opened and retract once the doors are closed. At the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, twin chrome-tipped exhaust, towing package is installed. Sierra, Denali, and GMC badges can all be found here on the Multi-Pro tailgate. Heading back inside the Denali, back seats here have in-seat storage. They are also car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have 2 cup holders, the heated seats controls, and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.